In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Freshdesk. Whether you're new to customer support software or looking to make a switch, you've made an excellent choice with Freshdesk. This walkthrough will guide you through the setup process in about 5 minutes. So let's dive in. First and foremost, navigate to the Freshworks products page. Freshworks offers a constellation of IT, customer service, and CRM solutions. But today we're focusing on Freshdesk. Once you're on the page, you'll see a variety of options. Don't get overwhelmed, I'm here to guide you through it. Now you might notice a try it free button. If it's your first time here, that's exactly what you'll see and what you'll want to click on. If you're revisiting or I've been here before, setting up this tutorial, it might say go to account instead. But don't worry, both options lead you down the path to creating a new account. The next step is to sign up, and Freshdesk gives you a couple of options here. You can sign up with Google or with your email address, whatever works best for you. After choosing your preferred method, it's time to dive into a bit of detail. Freshdesk will ask you a series of questions about yourself and your company. This includes personal details and information about your business. It's pretty straightforward, but take your time to ensure everything is accurate. A neat aspect to keep an eye on during this process is the occasional CAPTCHA. You might wonder why they appear, but they're simply there to confirm you're a human and not some bot trying to make an account. It's a small step, but an important one to ensure security and authenticity within their platform. Once you've completed these questions, you'll find a next button waiting for you. Clicking this not only signifies you've finished setting up, but also opens the door to a comprehensive tour of Freshdesk. This tour is invaluable for new users as it helps orient you within the platform, showcasing features and functionalities that will be crucial in your journey with Freshdesk. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Freshdesk account and are on your way to providing exceptional customer service. Remember, patience and attentiveness to detail are key in these initial steps. Freshdesk is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your customer support process, but it's most effective when properly set up. So, take your time, explore, and don't hesitate to lean on the resources Freshdesk provides. Thank you for watching, and here's to a successful journey with Freshdesk.